Hi, I'm Kim Rowe, CEO and CTO of Rowebots Research, and I'm here today to tell you about the Remedy Tools Remote Event and Data Analysis Tool, or Remedy Red. Unison is an ultra-tiny Linux and POSIX-compatible operating system which is ideally suited to microcontroller and microprocessor development. Typically, Unison provides 50 to 90% of the software required for an embedded application. During development of a multi-threaded application with the Unison operating system, it's very difficult to figure out what's going on the microcontroller itself. Looking at the board doesn't help. What you really need to do is be able to visualize the timing and resource usage inside the operating system for your application. Remedy Red is an ideal tool for this. There's nothing better. It gives you a clear picture of the resource usage and the timing behavior of your embedded system. Thread priorities allow users to specify a precise time schedule. The designer must check the schedule at runtime to ensure it is correct. Looking at the hardware doesn't help. Integrated development environments have limited support for timing analysis, largely constrained to print statements or programmed output. Remedy Red allows users to analyze temporal behavior and resource usage quickly and easily. Remedy Red is an important new feature of the Unison operating system with a Red viewer on the host and a data logging and remote control server in the target device. The detailed time-based display and reports are shown in the viewer. The target side provides programmatic logging of user data, complete logging of Unison calls and operation, as well as remote control capability to set variables at runtime in the target system. The log data can be sent to a file or sent across the network in real time to be displayed. Advanced triggering and logging options make capturing elusive events fast and easy. Here, the data is loaded from the selected file. A time-based display is shown by the Red viewer using the data. By clicking on the data, you can zoom in on specific regions of interest. By zooming in, each event sequence can be examined in detail. Unexpected event sequences can be isolated and debugged. Specific Unison OS calls are shown as icons. Clicking these icons will provide greater detail. The list of threads is shown on the left. Their time-based schedule and state is color-coded on the right. The legend provides the detailed state of each thread. In addition, there are reports on CPU utilization during specific time intervals. A count of context switches to analyze the behavior of threads during a specific time period, and displays of stack usage, which are often a critical and unknown limitation during debugging. Remedy Red can capture live data from the target hardware over an internet connection. By selecting the live data capture option with the TCP and DLog server included in the target Unison build, live data is captured and then displayed. This example uses continuous capture mode. We can zoom and select data using the same commands as the file data. Remedy Red also has the ability to select subset data using 2 data logging masks. It can even trigger on user-defined events and event sequences. The remote control server allows variables on the target to be set at runtime. Imagine tuning control loops with Remedy Red. You can trigger on the step function edge and record the error signal and the PID output data. The Remedy Red viewer displays these outputs and allows RCS to adjust PID parameters to optimum values. Here, we are collecting data for 22 seconds with a user-defined trigger and a second special condition. The data you see here is sparse because only a single buffer around the trigger point was kept. Various collection options may be selected. Zooming in allows for more accurate analysis of events around the trigger point. The RCS interface can be used to set the target variables. Advanced triggers can be defined on the host using the Remedy Red trigger dialog. Used properly, Remedy Red can accelerate your development. Do you want to save time getting to market? Do you want to minimize your total cost of ownership? Remedy Red is an ideal tool to help you get there. From the operating theater to energy metering, Unison, now with Remedy Red, offers the features that original equipment developers need to get the most out of their hardware in the least amount of time.